So whenever I do a YouTube video, usually I tend to be cut off round about here, sometimes about here. And that means that you don't get to see my whole outfit. Well, honey, that's gonna change because I want you guys to see the full fit. Let's get to it. It's your girl Ayesha, and this is a very quick video, just a very quick outfit rundown so you guys can see what I am wearing from top to toe. This is also a way to encourage me to actually not be lazy and fully get myself dressed for these videos, because sometimes I ain't gonna lie to you, I've got on my slippers and my pajama bottoms and I'm only dressed up from the waist up. So yeah, the cat's out of the bag. So this is my way of showing you an entire outfit. I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of everything that I'm wearing, and I really hope that you enjoy it. There we go. Now we can see the entire fit. What do we think? Let me give you guys a quick rundown. So on my head, I have got my Cotton Candy Angel wig, which is from Fever Collection X Manic Panic. I absolutely love this wig, and I know that I've already got big pink and blue split wigs. I don't care. I love them. Don't come for me, okay? In case you haven't noticed, I'm a bit of a wigaholic. All right. On my head, I've got one of my bling bows. I've got the white one here, along with a yellow one as well, a very pale yellow I went for. Oh, also my eye makeup. This is from Juvia's Place. I absolutely love their palettes. They are stunning, and yeah, I really love these. On my ears, there were supposed to be key rings. I got these from Wish ages ago. They're meant to be key rings, and I decided to turn them into earrings because I'm extra. So yeah, I do wear clips though, so I'm kind of used to wearing like big hefty earrings clipped onto my ears. I don't even feel them. I really don't. On my neck, this is a choker that my son made. Me and him were making some Kawaii bling together. We always call it Kawaii bling, ding. And it's one of the first pieces that he made. And this is actually a little bracelet that he made as well, but he doesn't know that I've just nicked it from him. But it just matched perfectly, so I decided to pop this on. T-shirt actually came from the Sanrio store on Amazon. I got this ages ago, but it probably is still there. The skirt, this is from Primark, and I got this about maybe 3 years ago or so. I do have a matching jacket as well, so if I was going out, I probably would wear the matching jacket with this. Oh yeah, on my hip here is a necklace that I made a long time ago, and even though it's a necklace, I didn't want to put it up here because I've already got their faces here and here, and it would be, dare I say it, a little bit too much. So I decided to just keep it here on my hip. On my cane, I've actually got, this is Blossom, by the way, in case you haven't already met her. She's usually adorned with like sakura blossoms and stuff like that, but I added on this really cute little Kiki and Lala shaker that my friend Panda San made. I just figured because it was the whole sort of split down the middle thing, it just works. It really does. And you know, people probably ain't gonna see it if I was to go outside. They wouldn't see it, but I know it's there, and that's what matters. Now you're probably wondering, what on earth is on my legs? Now these tights are from Snag tights. They are amazing. I only buy my coloured tights from Snag tights now. They're brilliant. They're really nice and supportive, and just really warm as well. I absolutely love them. I'm actually wearing 2 pairs, and yeah, the other legs are tied around my waist somewhere. So you know, you gotta just make it work, okay? On my feet, I have got my Kiki and Lala shoes that I made, again, a very long time ago, a good couple of years ago now. I made all of the little resin charms that you see on them, and I painted them all myself. These shoes were actually plain white to begin with, and I painted them all myself, and yeah, I'm very proud of these shoes. Absolutely love it. So there you are, my darlings. Now you know where I got my stuff from, why I pair things up the way that I do, and hopefully this video helped you out. I know that it was super duper quick, but you know, I just had the idea to do it today, and yeah, hopefully it has helped out somebody with some sort of styling techniques. I don't know, maybe you weren't even that fussed about what I'm wearing. But I really love this outfit and I wanted to share it with you. Let me know if you enjoyed this video so that I know to make more just like it. Remember, if you did enjoy this video, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.